Hey there, how are you all? Happy World Environment Day. Today we are celebrating here in Government Model Sanskrit Senior Secondary School. We are in 7th A. Many students are there who wants to say something, who wants to present their model, their messages to you. So I am signing off, leaving it on 7th A students to convey their messages to you all as we all are concerned. Happy World Environment Day once again. Bye-bye.
Good morning teachers and my all dear friends. My name is Manvi from class 7th. Today I am presenting a speech on Environment's Day. Happy Environment's Day. Environment is a basic life support system. It provides air we breathe, water we drink, food we eat and land where we live on it. Earth is a planet of our solar system. Water is very important part of our life. Thank you. This is our earth. This is animals and there are many kinds of factories. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Environment's Day.
Hello and good morning to my dear teachers and friends. Today I want to share my views on this World Environment Day. Firstly, Happy Environment Day. I want to share my views. I am thankful to my sir to giving me this opportunity. We will manage the scarcity and shortage of water, which is always there. So please save water. Farmers grow paddy crops which need more and more water for grow. So when paddy crops cuts, the farmers burn the waste material. It is also harmful for our earth. So my request to farmers is that please grow less and less paddy crops. We should not use plastic. Care someone and rescue animals by adopting today. Care someone and rescue animals by adopting today. Earth rotates allots only 24 hours respected to the sun. Recycling the metals like aluminium and steel saves large amount of energy. Paper is recycled by first cleaning it of any dirt and ink using chemicals into the pulp and making it into a new paper. It promotes the earth clean and green. If our earth become neat and clean, I think the human's life will be more peaceful and happy before now. So please, my request is that please save water, save trees. Please grow more and more trees because without trees it causes drought. So today's my slogan is that save water, save water, save life, save earth. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Imanshi from class 7th A. I am presenting a speech on Happy Environment Day. On the occasion of World Environment Day, let us pledge to work hard in making Earth a general and healthier place. Come together, plant more trees. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Good morning, my respected teachers and my old friend. Today I am presenting a speech on Environment Day. First of all, I wish you Happy Environment Day. Do not pollute water, land, air and environment because once it is lost forever. Sending warm wishes on World Environment Day with a promise to take care of our environment. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Teachers and my dear friends, my name is Nakshi from class 7th A. I present a speech on Environment Day. We must join hands to save our beautiful planet as there is no other place in the universe so beautiful, so vibrant and so lively. Let us be more responsible. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. Happy Environment Day. My name is Jasmine. I read in 7th class. I am presenting a views of World Environment Day. Let us give our coming generation a healthier to happier environment to have a beautiful life. Best wishes on World Environment Day. I am presenting a chart on World Environment Day. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Morning teacher and my dear old friends, today I am presenting a speech of World Environment Day. Celebration of World Environment Day come with a promise to save environment and the world. Thank you. Happy Environment Day. Good morning teacher and my dear old friends. Today I am presenting a song of World Environment Day. Tick 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 tick. कसम ये खाए रे ये टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो न समझे हम तब हम ये फट जाएगा ये बहती सी है नदियों का ये पानी सूख जाएगा अगर सुन लो न समझे हम तब हम ये फट जाएगा ये बहती सी है नदियों का ये पानी रुक जाएगा हम सब प्लास्टिक के मोहताज है कैसा ये समाज है टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे कर दो रहम ये धरती का तो दम भी घुट जाएगा ये कुदरत की है नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा ये कुदरत की है नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे थैंक यू हैप्पी एनवायरनमेंट डे
Hello guys, happy Environment Day. I speak on some lines on Environment Day. I hope you listen carefully. Environment is surrounding where we live. World Environment Day is celebrated on every year. World Environment Day is celebrated on global scale. A clean environment is necessary for living. It's our duty. We should keep environment clean. It's my project. My project say on we are cutter trees and waste water. We should save water and don't waste environment because water gives us energy, food, freshness, etc. and environment, oxygen and gases for our life. Without water and environment, our life is impossible because water is life and environment is smile. Thank you. Happy Green Environment Day.
Good morning, teacher and my old dear friend. My name is Jivika from class and I am presenting a speech on environment. Earth is like our home and we must effort to keep and clean and green on the oxygen of World Environment Day. Let us promise to make it a better place to live. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Good morning teachers and my all dear friends. My name is Piyush from class 7th A. I am presenting a model of Environment Day. So firstly, Happy Environment Day. Factories are polluting our air and this air are breath and polluting air are dangerous for our life. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Good morning, teacher and my dear friend. My name is Hina. I read in the 7th class. I am presenting a speech. Earth provides us with everything that we need a prayer for. We must take care of it with all our effect. Wishing a very happy World Environment Day to all. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Good morning teachers and my all dear friend. My name is Prachi of class 7th A. Firstly, I wish you happy Environment Day. I am starting my speech on Environment Day. Celebration of World Environment Day come with the promise to save the environment and the world. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir, and my dear old friends. My name is Namarpreet from 7th A class. I am presenting speech on Environment Day. Let us do our small bite to make world a cleaner and healthy place. Happy Environment Day. Thank you. This is for you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Tamanna from class 7th A. I am presenting speech in Happy Environment Day. A clean environment is the sign of Happy Environment Day. A save life and save trees. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Hey guys, I am presenting a speech on Environment Day. First of all, Happy Environment Day. Our environment is getting dirty day by day. Environment is very important in our life. We should clean surrounding regularly. A clean environment शुद्ध एटमॉस्फेयर पर फ्रेश एयर. We should plant more trees for a good environment. Thank you guys. Happy Environment Day. Bye.
Morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Anjum from class 7th. I wish you happy Environment Day. Environment is a basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat and the land where we live. How can humans spoil this natural environment? We cannot afford. Happy Green Environment Day. Thank you.
Good morning teacher and my dear friend. My name is Raghav from class 7th. Today I am presenting on Environment Day. First of all, I wish you happy Environment Day. Let us do our small bit to make our world cleaner and healthier place. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you. This is my chart.
Good morning teachers and all my friends. Today I am giving my message to the world on Environment Day. Let's us do small bit to make world cleaner and healthier place. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. Happy Environment Day. My name is Jasmine. I read in 7th class. I am presenting news of World Environment Day. Let us give our coming generation a healthier to happier environment to have a beautiful life. Best wishes on World Environment Day. Thank you. Happy Environment Day. I am presenting a chart on World Environment Day. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Bhumi. I am presenting a speech. Let us save the environment for our generation to come. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and my all dear friends. My name is Piyush from class 7th. I am presenting a model of Environment Day. Firstly, Happy Environment Day. Factories are polluted our air and this air are breath and this air are dangerous for our life. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and my dear friend. My name is Smriti, class 7th. I am presenting of speech Environment Day. Celebration of Environment Day come with a promise to save the world and Environment Day. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Good morning my respected teacher and my old friend. Today I am presenting a speech on Environment Day. First of all, I wish you happy World Environment Day. Do not cut trees because tree is a very important part of our life. Grow more to more plant and trees because they give oxygen. Use the dustbin because plastic is harmful for our earth. Recycle is a process where waste and used product reproduct into new product. Pollution is harmful. It is bad for all living beings. If you take better environment, use a cycle because cars are pollute our environment. Save the animals, save the green. Water is a very important part of our life. Thank you. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Today I am present my model on this World Environment Day. Firstly, Happy Environment Day. So, if you really want to stop the water flowing and going waste, here is a solution with this project. That is rainwater harvesting, which is need of our. Yes, on this World Environment Day, I have prepared this model. Let me explain it to you. This is Avika Goyal from 7th A Government Model Sanskrit Senior Secondary School. Let me explain to you by thinking we all are concerned with because we can manage the scarcity of water which is always there. So please save water. So what happens? The rainwater collect on this collection tank. It goes to filtration tank
and then it purifies itself. When it purifies itself, it goes to wells, and the villagers use pure water. When we don't collect this water, this is very harmful our environment. The water table goes down. By doing this, by doing rainwater harvesting, we save water and install a plant in every house. It stops water table going down. So please save water. My request is that save water, save earth. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Morning everyone, my name is Mohit from class 7th A. Today I am presenting a speech on World Environment Day. So firstly, I wish you Happy Environment Day. Environment is a surrounding where we live. It is our duty to keep our surrounding clean. A clean environment is necessary for living. A World Environment Day is celebrated on 5 June every year. A clean environment is a sign of happy environment. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Good morning teachers and my all dear friends. My name is Dishu. Today I am presenting on Environment Day. Let us do our small bit to make our world healthier and cleaner place. Thank you. Happy World Environment Day.